everyone, it's Alisha and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we are diving into the world of smoky eye. So without any further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Create a base. Grab a soft creamy black Kajal pencil and make a line with that. Draw a line along your lash line, stopping about 1/4 of the way up your eyelid. The line doesn't need to be perfect, it's just a base. Step 2. Blend the Kajal. Use a small blending brush to soften the edge of the Kajal. Place the brush right at the edge of the Kajal line. This helps create a gradient effect where the color transitions from dark to light. Step 3. Apply a transition shade. Select a neutral brown shade that complements your skin tone. This shade should be slightly darker than your natural tone, but lighter than the black Kajal. Make sure the transition shade blends seamlessly with the black Kajal. There should not be any visible lines between both the shades. Step 4. Intensify the black. Apply a black eyeshadow over the area where you applied the Kajal. This will set the Kajal and intensify the black color. Use a flat eyeshadow brush for this step. Step 5. Line your lower lash line. Apply the black Kajal pencil along your lower lash line. Make sure to apply the Kajal as close to lash line as possible. Step 6. Dust off the powder. Use a fluffy powder brush to gently dust off any loose powder. Step 7. Enhance the lower lash line. Apply black Kajal to the lower lash line. This time, extend it slightly outwards. Blend the Kajal downwards to diffuse the color and avoid any harsh lines. Step 8. Curl your lashes and define your brows. Use an eyelash curler to give your lashes a beautiful lifted curl. Fill in and shape your brows using your preferred brow product. Ensure they are well groomed and defined to frame your eyes nicely. Step 9. Apply bronzer. Use a bronzer to add warmth and dimension to your face. Apply to the high points of your face where the sun naturally hits, such as your cheekbones, temples, and upper forehead. Step 10. Add blush. Apply blush to the apples of your cheeks to give your complexion a fresh and radiant look. Step 11. Define your lips. Use a lip liner to outline and fill in your lips. This step provides definition and a base color. For this look, I skipped lipstick and used the lip liner alone to complete the look. Step 12. Apply highlighter. Use a highlighter brush to apply highlighter to the highest points of your face, your cheekbones, brow bones, and down the bridge of your nose. And that's it. This is the completed smoky eye makeup look I've created for you. Remember, life is short, so make every moment count. If you love this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment below. I'll catch you all in the next one. Until then, stay safe, stay happy, and keep slaying those looks.